and welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia. If you're new here and you're stopping in for the very first time, welcome. Well, in today's video, I am going to be continuing my Christmas decorating series for 2021 entitled Welcome Home to Christmas. Now, I hope that all of you have been enjoying all the Christmas content that I have been posting thus far, from shopping hauls to decorating Christmas trees, and I have so much more that I want to share with you this year. So in today's video, I am going to be decorating in my kitchen once again, and I'm going to show you how I take a basic miniature Christmas tree by doing a very simple DIY, and also I am going to create a small vignette and place it on top of my refrigerator. So if that sounds like something you're excited to see, just keep on watching. And one more thing, I want to thank all our brand new family members that have decided to become a part of the Felicia by the Seasons family. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Welcome so much. I'm pleased to have you here. And also, I want to thank my returning subscribers that come back time after time to watch each and every video. Thank you so much, and I appreciate your support and all the support that is given to this channel. So, let's get started. This is the tree that I am going to be creating my DIY, and these are some of the ornaments that I have gathered here. And my little gingerbread doughboy back there was my inspiration for this tree. Also, the white container here is actually a strainer, and I'm going to be using that as the base for this tree, and I'm going to show you how. Now this step is optional. I'm showing you that I've placed a glob of hot glue in the center, and now I have glued the tree to this colander or strainer. So now I am going to add some ornaments. Right here I'm just showing you these are miniature cookie cutters, so you can actually use these to cut out some little miniature cookies for Christmas. I purchased these from Walmart this year, you guys, for only 10 cents per pack. My thoughts behind decorating this little miniature tree is not to pack it full of ornaments and ribbon. I just want to add a few essential pieces that are a nod to my Christmas kitchen this year. This is my progress so far, and later on I am going to make some changes, and you'll see that in a few minutes. So I went ahead and made some changes. So I'm just pointing out to you that I put my little bakery ginger man at the top of the tree. I will be using this red and white buffalo check ribbon to make a simple bow. The bow is attached, so now I'm just adding another star-shaped cookie cutter at the top. And here it is. If you're enjoying this content, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new and like to become a part of my family, just click the subscribe button. And welcome to the family. So now I'm just showing you that I'm going to be adding everything on the top of my refrigerator. So here I'm just giving you a close view of my refrigerator. So now I have installed this miniature Christmas tree. What do you think? Next, I am going to be adding this gingerbread cookie jar as a part of this vignette. I'm just giving you a quick view of what it looks like on all sides before I install it on the refrigerator top. I did add a very simple whitewash riser to give this cookie jar some height. Next, I am going to address this blank space here by adding a wall embellishment. So now I have attached my wall embellishment. So what do you think?